Robert George Kardashian was an American attorney and businessman. He gained national recognition as O.J. Simpson's friend and defense attorney during Simpson's 1995 murder trial. He had 4 children with his first wife, Kris Kardashian, Kourtney, Kim, Khlo, and Rob, who appear on their family reality television series, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, and its spin-offs. Kardashian was born in Los Angeles, California. He has a sister and brother, Barbara and Tom Kardashian. His great-grandparents, Sagadal and Haram Kardashev, were ethnic Armenian spiritual Christian Prygan immigrants from Karakal, Kars Oblast of the Russian Empire. The family, known at the time by the surname Kardashev, in Russian style, made their way from their home village of Karakal probably to Bremerhaven, Germany, a popular emigration port. From there, they traveled to a new life in America. Their son Tatis anglicized his name to Tom, started a business in garbage collection in Los Angeles, and married another Kars Karakal immigrant, Hamas Shakarian. Growing up in the Baldwin Hills area of Los Angeles, Kardashian attended Susan Miller Dorsey High School and the University of Southern California, from which he graduated in 1966 with a B.S. degree in business administration. He earned a JD degree from the University of San Diego School of Law and practiced for about a decade. After that, he went into business. In 1973, Kardashian was one of the co-founders of the trade publication Radio and Records, which he and his partners sold for a large profit in 1979. Kardashian also pioneered the idea of playing music between movies in theaters. He subsequently parlayed the concept into a business, starting a company called Movie Tunes. He served as president and CEO of the firm and later invested in Juice Inc., a frozen yogurt company, and in a music video business called Concert Cinema. Kardashian and Simpson first met in the early 1970s and became close friends. Following the June 12, 1994, murder of Nicole Brown Simpson and Ronald Goldman, Simpson stayed in Kardashian's house to avoid the media. Kardashian was the man seen carrying Simpson's garment bag the day that Simpson flew back from Chicago. Prosecutors speculated that the bag may have contained Simpson's bloody clothes or the murder weapon. When Simpson failed to turn himself in at 11 a.m. on June 17, 1994, Kardashian read a letter by Simpson to the assembled media. This letter was interpreted by many as a suicide note. Simpson was charged with the murders and subsequently acquitted of all criminal charges in a controversial criminal trial. Kardashian had let his license to practice law become inactive before the Simpson case but reactivated it to aid in Simpson's defense as a volunteer assistant on his legal team, alongside Simpson's main defense attorneys, Robert Shapiro and Johnny Cochran. As one of Simpson's lawyers and a member of the defense Dream Team, Kardashian could not be compelled or subpoenaed to testify against Simpson in the case, which included Simpson's past history and behavior with his ex-wife Nicole, and as to the contents of Simpson's garment bag. He sat by Simpson throughout the trial. The New York Times reported that Kardashian said in a 1996 ABC interview that he had questioned Simpson's innocence. "I have doubts. The blood evidence is the biggest thorn in my side, that causes me the greatest problems. So I struggle with the blood evidence." Not long after the trial, Kardashian ultimately severed his ties with Simpson. Kardashian was diagnosed with esophageal cancer in July 2003. He died 2 months later, on September 30, 2003, at age 59, and was buried at Inglewood Park Cemetery in Inglewood, California. Kardashian was portrayed by David Schwimmer in the 2016 FX miniseries American Crime Story, The People v. O.J. Simpson. Schwimmer was nominated for the Primetime Emmy Award for Outstanding Supporting Actor in a Limited Series or Movie for his performance, but lost to Sterling K. Brown, who portrayed Christopher Darden in the same series. In 2016, ESPN Films and their 30 for 30 series produced a 5-part miniseries called O.J., Made in America, produced by Ezra Edelman. In 2017, Kardashian was the subject of the pilot episode of the TV comedy series Over My Dead Body on Amazon Prime. Kardashian had 4 children with his first wife, Kris Kardashian, Kourtney, Kimberly, Khlo, and Rob. Shortly after separating from his first wife in 1991, Kardashian